Alright, this is 2-1 Notes, part 2. We're going to keep going here with the same material. Let's just ask a little bit differently so you get a different presentation of everything. So with this being said, now if I draw a line and ask for the slope of, can you do it? So I'm just throwing in a line in there too. So what we got 115 and then 1024, so we do 24 minus 15, which gets us 9. So 9 is in our numerator. Oh, come on. And then we do 10 minus 1, which is 9 in our denominator, so 9 over 9. That means we have a slope of 1 here. Next one up. Now if I draw a line, same story. If I draw a line and ask for the slope, can you find the slope of this line? So the coordinates here are 115 and the coordinates here are 2410. So what we do 10 minus 15 gets us the negative 5. So we know it's negative 5. And then divided by x2 minus x1, so 24 minus 1 gets us 23, so negative 5 over 23. And that'll be the slope of this line. There's another one. Same style questions. So now we're going to incorporate some words and put some real life scenarios into the charts. But it's the same concept of what we've just been doing. So a function r of x represents the total amount of money for a given month x. A graph of the function is shown in the figure, as we see here. Money values. According to the graph, what is the appropriate average rate of change in the money as the months increase from 2 to 7? So from 2 to 7, so that's a 2, 500 is the one coordinate. So that's 2, 500. And the other coordinate is at 7, approximately 1200. So 7, 1200. Then we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that's what we get over here. And here's my work. So 2, 500, 7, 1200. 1200 minus 500 is 700. 7 minus 2 is 5. So your slope is 140. Let's do another one. So the function r of x represents the total amount of money for a given month. So same scenario, we have the lines going through. Our main focus is the months increase from 1 to 6. So 1, that looks like it's like 30. So let's say 130 or 140. And the other one is 6, and that looks like it's around almost 150. So let's go 6, 150. Let's see if those are the two numbers I picked. Yep. I did 125. So we're going to say instead of 30, we're going to call that 25. So I stay consistent. So that'll be 125 is this coordinate. And the 6, 150 is this coordinate. So now we do a slope. 150 minus 25 gets you 125, and 6 minus 1 gets you 5. And we do our slope formula. That's how we get our lemonade sales production. Slope line between 1 and 6 has a slope of 5. Mac for this is the amount of money for Mac computer sales. We're going from 6 to 12. So 6 right here, this dot to this dot. Those two coordinates. And we're going to find the slope between those two coordinates. So at 6, I said it was around 1500. Right there on the line. And at 12, it seemed like it was around 3500. So I find the slope between those two lines, 35,000 minus 15,000 gets us 20,000, and then 12 minus 6 gets us 6, so 20,000 divided by 6. That would be approximately the slope. I say approximately because I kind of guessed exactly where those two coordinates are by just looking at the chart. Alright, here's your classwork and your homework. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or come to Extra Help. I'll be happy to help you out. Alright, have a good night.